Hello, everybody. So, welcome back once again. And I hope that all of you are having a really, really good time with your family members. And I'm passing really, really a good time with my family members. As I am staying at my village, that's why I want to show you the present condition or the today's weather of my village. If I show you, there is everywhere fog, as you can see the houses and trees are not seen, and if I show you, the sun is not also seen because of foggy weather. Winter season is going on, that's why the weather is very cold and misty, and we all know that winter season is always cold and misty. That's why. And yeah, I'm making this video for improving myself, and I want to learn something new vocabulary. That's why I always try to practice my spoken English. Whatever I wear, whatever I do at that time, I try to record myself to improve speaking English. And if you are beginner, then you can go through this way, or you can practice in this way to improve your spoken English. And especially if you want to learn something new vocabulary, then you can practice in this way. There is no alternative way to learn English practically. That's why I will suggest to you all, please, if you want to improve your spoken English, then you have to learn practically. And of course, you will learn some structure, you will learn some technique. Then you have to practice yourself, otherwise it is not possible to learn English. Yeah, this is the thing I want to share with you, and yeah, I wish you all the best. Allah Hafiz.